my name is Jeff Gardner. I'd like to welcome you to the Irie AT Product Review Center. Today we're going to look at the Clover 6 magnifier from SightCare. It's a touchscreen 6-inch Full HD magnifier. Let's take a look. So this is the Clover 6, a brand new magnifier from SightCare. You've got a 6-inch matte screen. It's a touchscreen. You also have traditional controls. Turn this around. An idea of how thin this is. It's less than an inch thick. I believe it's the thinnest one out there in this size. Also has a handy dandy little handle that comes out. You just flex it if you want distance view, and then this would be reading view, out for distance and for reading. And it holds real firm. I can shake it and the thing still stays there. You can turn it over, use it left-handed. You can use it any number of different angles. Real handy design on this guy. I can put it back in, and you just put your finger under this little thing here, and it pops out, and you have a good reading position. Turn it around this way and turn that on. Go. Get something to read. This is a good example. This is a real gray on gray catalog, came with the fridge. Put it on there, and we've got a very nice image. If I want to pinch and zoom my way around, I can do that. And you get live panning on this. It's real handy. You can move around, see everything that the camera sees. The more you zoom in, the more you can pan. So I usually talk about pill bottles when I talk about this. You zoom in on a pill bottle and take a picture, and unless you can pan around, you can't see what's going on. But with this one, you could take an image, you could do it live and pan around, and you can really see the entire image instead of just zooming in and seeing the center. Real handy feature. You can freeze an image. You've got a separate button for colors. You can easily switch between color and your reading contrast. And that way, you can switch through a whole bunch of different reading contrast. Then once you find the one that you like, you just switch between that and color and get what you want. So it's going to just switch to my favorite. I've got lines and blinds. I can do that vertically or horizontally. And, kind of the features that you'd expect. Now what I like about this is, these are supposed to be portable. You can take it out and about when you want to read. Well, I can actually read with this. Let me get a color contrast going. Let me get zoomed back a little bit more. A lot of them just go in and out when you're trying to read. You can get, if you move it even a little bit, you lose your focus. This one I can get close, I can get far, I can still see everything. And then plus, since that's a touchscreen, it's real handy to be able to zoom in and out. And I'm walking around, I can really check things out if I don't want to put it down into the reading position. And now if I'm left-handed, let's flip it over, and same deal. I can really control it in the same way. I can pan, I can zoom, really use the device fully. Back in the reading position. So, the other thing you can do, I'm going to get it in color, because it'll be best for that. Actually, let me move the camera just a skosh so you can look in the distance there. I'll lift the magnifier up. So, in order to do that, I bring the handle out, and now here I've got the deal where I can twist it, and I get a text option. Let me do that again. You see the mountains, or you see the text, depending on how you do it. In this case, I want distance, so I'm going to keep it back in the flush position. Put it on color, makes it a little easier. And now I'm looking at a distance. And I can pinch and zoom in closer. Gives me the ability to look out very easily, and I like you can, and I'm holding this, and this would be, you're at the counter at McDonald's or something, you're trying to see what's going on, even the drive-thru, you can use something like this. It's real handy. I'd probably not be driving though if I'm using this too much. Anyway, real handy guy. Put her down there. Put it back where you can see it. the reading mode from my favorite white on black, and off I go. Real handy, easy to use, and now when I want to put it away, I'm just going to press that power button on the left top side here. Push in the reading stand. It comes with a handy dandy case. Slide it in there, take it with me. It's less than a pound. It comes with a power charger, and I like this round tip. You plug that in, it doesn't matter which way you turn it. Not like some of the micro USBs and some of those ones you have to turn in a certain direction or you break the port, and that's probably the thing that we see happen most often on these units. So, it was a Clover 6 by SiteCare. I want to thank you for joining us today in the Irie AT Product Review Center. Today we've been looking at the Clover 6 from SiteCare. If you'd like more information, please do reach out to us. Thanks again for joining us today. Have a great day.